Hi guys, today we are going to solve problem number 876 on Leetcode, which is to find the middle of the linked list, right? We will be given there in this like problem there are only two main cases, which is if we have total length in even case means if we have let's put the linked list in this way 1 4 5 8 7, these are like total we have five elements, so the 5 is an odd number, right? So if we have odd length of linked list, then it will be very simple. We just need to return the middle value, right? And the second concept is if we have a kind of even number of total values, and let's suppose in this case we have 8 and 9. So in this case, we have total six element, right? Which is an even number. So in this case, they have mentioned that we need to return the second middle node, right? So right now we are having two middle nodes. We need to return this second middle node. So in order to handle this case and the previous case, even whether it is like middle, like odd or even linked list, uh, what we need to do, we just need to like find out the total like for this thing what we need to do, first of all we need to find the total length of the linked list, and then we need to divide that length by 2, right? And I'm using here double slashes because I want to return an integer number, right? So this case will handle both of the cases, it means the even case and the odd case as well. So let's write the code for it, and you will get an idea what's happening here. So first of all, let's create a current node and point it to the head node, and after that we will write count so that we can get idea. We will initialize it to 0 and then we will increase it. So while current is not none means until and unless the value of the current become none means it moves to the end last and go outside of the loop. Now what we need to do, we need to change its position from current to current next. And at every iteration, also we need to change the value of count from 0 to 1 every time, right? So after that, the value of the current will be count will be changed from count plus 1. And what will happen? Let's suppose if the list is consist of 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So, list contain let's suppose let's call it 6 element total. List contains 6 elements. So every time the current start from here, current go to the last value, and every time we will increase our count from 0 to 1, right? So if we have 6 elements, here you can see, so the count value will become 6, and then what we will do, we will divide it by 2. So 2, 3, right? So and then we need to return the second middle value, which will be like the indexing start from 0. So this is 0 index, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3 index. So 3 index is what? This one. 4 is present at 3 index, so we will return 4, which is the case they have mentioned here, right? So now what we will do, we will write here middle length, middle, or we can middle value equals to count divided by 2. And then what we need to do, we also need to start again the current from head, so we can this time return this middle node. So we will write for I in range of what? For I in range of my middle value, which is in the case 4. So I want to return the which node? I want to return the middle node, which is uh, uh, accordingly, which will be my middle node of the linked list. So in this case, what I need to do, uh, for I in a range of my middle value, I will what I need to do, what for I in range of my middle value, let's suppose the middle value is 4. And then what I need to do, I need to first of all move my current from current dot next, and then it will be pointing to the value which I'm looking for, and then we will return our current. I hope it will work. Let's run it. So our two cases are accepted. Now let's submit it. Yeah, so that's all for our today's class. The session, our solution worked, and this was all about problem number 876. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.